Hello everyone. Today I tell you one simple trick how to take history of cough. Acute cough. A for associated symptoms, C for character, U for upper respiratory symptoms, T for timing, E for relieving factors, C for chronicity, O for occupation, U for underlying conditions, G for gastroesophageal reflux, H for history of medication.